Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be taking a closer look at the Aeitto Cold Press Juicer, a slow masticating juicer that promises high juice yield, less prep time and easy cleanup, all at a budget-friendly price. With a 5.3 inches large feed chute, 1.7 liter capacity and 250-watt motor, it sounds impressive on paper, but does it actually perform well in the real kitchens? Let's break it down in today's video. If you want to check out the latest pricing and its availability, the link is in the description box below. First of all, let's start with its design and the setup. So as you can see over here, the juicer built for convenience. The large feed chute allows you to insert the bigger chunks of fruits and vegetables, cutting down the preparation time. It won't fit every single fruit hole, but it definitely reduces the chopping as compared to the standard models. Performance wise, it uses the slow cold press masticating technology designed to preserve the nutrients and maximize the juice extraction. In testing, it handles the hard produce like carrots and apples very well. The pulp came out relatively dry, which is a good sign of efficient juice extraction. Cleanup of this particular product is also very simple with fewer detachable parts and an included cleaning brush. Rinsing everything under water takes a few minutes. That's a big win for the daily use. If I talk about the limitations, while it performs well with the firm fruits and vegetables, it definitely struggles with leafy greens like kale and spinach. You may experience minor clogging and it sometimes requires extra effort to clear out the fibrous ingredients. The 250-watt motor is also decent but not as powerful as the higher end models, so tougher ingredients may take a little longer to process. So if you are a casual juicer or a family looking for an affordable, easy to use machine for apples, oranges, carrots and similar produce, the Aeitto Cold Press Juicer offers the solid value. But if leafy green juices are your main priority, you would want stronger long-term durability and more motor power. Investing in a bigger high-end model might make more sense to you. Otherwise, you can just check out the link of this particular product in the description box below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.